Jumping rope is one of the most effective ways to burn fat quickly. And today, I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute jump rope workout that you can do right at home. This workout not only torches calories, but also improves your coordination and cardiovascular health. Before we dive in, let's talk about some important considerations. First, make sure you have a good quality jump rope that's the right length for your height. When you stand on the middle of the rope, the handles should reach your armpits. Also, wear supportive footwear to protect your feet and joints. Now, let's get started with the warm-up. Spend a minute doing some light jogging in place or dynamic stretches to get your blood flowing. This is crucial to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Once you're warmed up, we'll jump into the first exercise, basic jumps. Keep your elbows close to your sides and use your wrists to turn the rope. Aim for a steady rhythm and focus on landing softly on the balls of your feet. Let's do this for 1 minute. Next, we'll switch it up with high knees. This is a great way to elevate your heart rate even more. As you jump, bring your knees up towards your chest. This not only increases the intensity, but also engages your core. Let's go for another minute here. Now, let's take it to the next level with double unders. This is where you swing the rope twice for every jump. It's challenging, but it's fantastic for building endurance. If you're new to this, don't worry if you trip up. Just keep practicing. We'll do this for 1 minute as well. After that, we'll transition into side-to-side jumps. This variation helps to engage your lateral muscles and improve your agility. Simply jump from side to side, keeping your core tight. Let's keep this going for another minute. Now, let's slow it down a bit with single-leg jumps. This will really test your balance and stability. Start with your right leg for 30 seconds, then switch to your left leg for another 30 seconds. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain a steady rhythm. Finally, we'll finish strong with a 1-minute freestyle jump. This is your time to mix it up. You can do any combination of jumps you like, basic, high knees, or even some fun tricks if you're feeling confident. Just keep moving and push through to the end. And there you have it, a quick yet effective 10-minute jump rope workout that can help you burn fat fast. Remember to cool down and stretch afterward to help your muscles recover. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in no time. If you found this workout helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might enjoy it too.